In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to drop music, narration, or sound effects right into a slide so your presentation feels more engaging and polished. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides and navigate to the exact slide where you want the audio to live. It's helpful to think ahead about where in your talk the sound should begin so you pick the right slide from the start. Next, look at the toolbar running across the top of the screen and click Insert, then choose Audio from the dropdown. This opens a file picker connected to your Google Drive. That's important. Google Slides pulls audio directly from your drive, so the file you want should already be stored there. If you've previously saved your track to your computer, make sure you've uploaded it to Drive first so it appears in this list. Most common formats like MP3 and WAV work well. In the file picker, you'll see tabs such as My Drive and Possibly Shared with Me, depending on how your drive is organized. Use the search bar if you have a lot of files and want to find your audio quickly by name. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct version of the track, especially if you keep multiple edits with similar names. If the audio was shared with you, ensure you still have access. If your collaborators will be presenting, they'll need permission to the same file so it plays smoothly for them too. Once you've selected the audio file, click Insert. Google Slides will place a small speaker icon on your slide to represent the embedded audio. That icon is simply the visual cue that your sound is attached to this slide. In present mode, interacting with that icon will play the audio. If you plan to share the deck, a quick test run in present mode is a smart way to confirm it starts and sounds the way you expect. If you don't hear anything, double check your device volume and that you're connected to the correct output, like headphones or speakers. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your audio files clearly named so you can find them fast, store them in a dedicated Drive folder for your project, and consider the listening environment. Short, clear clips tend to work best in classrooms, meetings, and webinars. That's the entire process. Open your slide, choose Insert, select Audio from Google Drive, and click Insert. You're all set to enhance your Google Slides with sound.